The solution to all your hair woes lies in a simple homemade hair oil. Yes, this one powerful blend can transform your hair, and it's made using ingredients you probably already have at home. Are you tired of trying expensive products that promise to fix your hair fall, get rid of dandruff, or restore your hair's natural shine but fail to deliver? We try so many products. Shampoos, conditioners, serums, masks. They promise miracles. But often, they fall short. Expensive products, disappointing results, it's frustrating. Don't give up hope, there's a natural solution. Let's face it, we've all been there. The allure of shiny labels and enticing promises often leads us to empty our wallets on hair products that don't deliver. The cycle of hope followed by disappointment can be disheartening. What if I told you the solution to all your hair woes lies in a simple homemade hair oil? Yes, this one powerful blend can transform your hair, and it's made using ingredients you probably already have at home. Imagine a world where you could nourish your hair with natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals, just pure homemade goodness. This easy homemade hair oil offers this possibility. It's easy to make and kind to your hair and wallet. Let's unlock the secrets of this homemade hair oil. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or simply needs a boost of shine, a personalized blend of natural oils can work wonders. It's time to ditch the expensive, chemical-laden products and embrace the power of nature. Let me introduce you to the miraculous homemade hair oil. It's all natural, cost-effective, and works wonders for your hair. Ready to know the secret recipe? Let's dive in. This powerful hair oil is made with 5 incredible ingredients, each chosen for its amazing benefits. Coconut oil. Known as the ultimate moisturizer, it deeply nourishes your scalp and promotes healthy, shiny hair. Next, we have mustard oil. Packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids, this stimulates hair growth and strengthens your roots. It helps protect and strengthen hair strands, reducing frizz and enhancing shine, making your hair look and feel healthier. Then there's Amla, Indian gooseberry. A powerhouse of vitamin C, it prevents premature graying and improves scalp health. There's blackseed, kalanji. Rich in nutrients, it offers numerous hair benefits such as reduces hair thinning, combats dandruff and dryness, promotes hair growth, strengthens hair follicles, improves scalp health. We can't forget Fenugreek Seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with proteins that repair hair damage and add a silky texture. It promotes hair growth, adds shine, and provides deep conditioning, leaving your hair soft and manageable. Finally, curry leaves. Full of beta-carotene and amino acids, they help prevent hair loss and promote new hair growth. This encourages healthy hair growth, making it an excellent addition to any hair care routine. These 5 ingredients, when combined, create a symphony of nourishment for your hair, each bringing its unique benefits to the table. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in addressing common hair concerns, from dryness and damage to lack of shine and slow growth, making your hair healthier, stronger, and more vibrant than ever before. With regular use, you'll notice a significant transformation in the overall health and appearance of your hair. Let's prepare this easy homemade hair oil. Gather your ingredients. You're about to embark on a journey of hair transformation. This oil will nourish your hair, making it stronger, shinier, and healthier. The process is simple, yet the results are promising. In a double boiler, gently melt 1 cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its deep conditioning properties and ability to penetrate the hair shaft, providing essential moisture. Add 2 tablespoons of black seeds, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, and 1/4 cup of curry leaves. Toss in 4-5 pieces of freshly cut amla. Heat the mixture on low flame until the ingredients start to sizzle and release their essence. This usually takes about 10-15 minutes. Be careful not to overheat. Turn off the heat and let the oil cool completely. Let the mixture cool slightly. This cooling period allows the oils to blend and settle, ensuring a perfect consistency for application. Strain the oil into a clean glass jar using a fine sieve or muslin cloth. Pour into a clean glass bottle and store in a cool, dark place. This will preserve the potency of the oils and extend the shelf life of your elixir. Creating your hair oil is a simple yet rewarding experience. The results are unbelievable and you will be surprised. This homemade hair oil is the solution to end all your hair-related issues. It is all natural, gentle, easy to prepare, and can be used by everyone. It can be stored for up to 1 month. Keep using it regularly and watch your hair woes disappear. The application. Using your homemade hair oil is a treat for your senses. The natural ingredients not only nourish your hair but also provide a soothing aroma that can uplift your mood. Warm a small amount of oil between your palms. This helps to activate the oils and makes the application more effective. The warmth of the oil can also be very comforting, adding to the overall experience. Massage gently into your scalp. Use circular motions to ensure that the oil penetrates deeply. This not only nourishes the roots but also helps to relieve stress and tension. Work the oil down the length of your hair. Pay special attention to the ends, as they are often the most damaged. The oil will help to repair and strengthen your hair, making it more resilient. Leave on for at least an hour or overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Rinse thoroughly with shampoo. This allows the oil to fully penetrate the hair shaft, providing maximum benefits. Enjoy your soft, manageable, and healthy hair. The results are not just immediate but also long-lasting, giving you the confidence to flaunt your beautiful locks. For best results, warm the oil slightly before use. Apply it to your scalp and hair strands, massaging gently with your fingertips for about 5-10 minutes. Leave it on for at least an hour or, even better, overnight. Wash it off with a mild shampoo and repeat this process twice a week. The gentle massage stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth. This can lead to thicker, healthier hair over time. With regular use, this oil can reduce hair fall, eliminate dandruff, promote thicker, shinier hair, prevent premature graying, strengthen your roots and repair damaged hair. And all of this with natural ingredients, free from harmful chemicals. Why spend a fortune on chemical-laden products when nature's best remedies are right at your fingertips? Try this miraculous homemade hair oil and witness the transformation for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY solutions.